Let's dive in. First, gather all your parts: CPU, motherboard, RAM, storage, power supply, case, and graphics card. Start by placing the motherboard on a flat surface. Carefully insert the CPU into the socket. Next, install your RAM sticks by aligning them with the slots and pressing down until you hear a click. Add your storage, whether it's an SSD or HDD, by connecting it to the motherboard. Now, mount the motherboard inside the case and secure it with screws. Plug in your power supply and connect the necessary cables to the motherboard, graphics card, and storage. Finally, install the graphics card into the PCIe slot. Ensure all connections are secure, then close the case. Power it up and voila! You've built your first PC. Congrats!